We've all been there. A conversation is failing to start or stalls out, and boom, your brain goes blank. The awkward silence ramps up the pressure, and now your mind is racing but getting nowhere. As someone who's struggled in these situations for years, I learned there's a simple way to handle it without feeling fake, forcing it, or sounding like you memorize a list of conversation hacks. And if you stick around for just a couple of minutes, you'll also never run out of things to say most of the time. And for what it's worth, it doesn't require any newly found confidence or courage. You don't actually have to learn anything new in the traditional sense. This is the non-accidental man, for guys trying to get serious without taking themselves too seriously. In my experience, people who have struggled with awkward silence handle it in one of two ways. Either they clam up, sweat, and hope to get struck by lightning just to end their misery, or they say something that's either not interesting or just plain stupid. And I know, because I've done plenty of both. But not to worry. If you're stuck in a conversation and you don't know what to say, here's the simple fix. Don't focus on what to say. Focus on what to ask. Most people overcomplicate this. You don't need some clever icebreaker or psychology trick. Just ask simple, open-ended questions like, where are you from? What kind of work do you do? Got anything fun coming up this weekend? Any trips planned for the summer? And then follow up with the next logical question. Oh, what do you like most about it? What's the project you're most excited about right now? When's the last time you got to do that? See, here's a secret about 99% of the population, if you didn't already know. People love to talk about themselves. And if you're actually listening, not just nodding along and thinking about what to say next, the whole thing feels like a great conversation, even if you've barely said a word. Eventually, they'll ask about you. Keep it short, return the same question, put the ball back in their court. Works every time. Well, most of the time. It's important to keep in mind that every conversation comes to a natural conclusion. Sometimes quickly, sometimes not. And some people just aren't your cup of tea, not worth your time. When you feel like it's coming to an end, just be polite, smile, say, hey, it was great talking to you, great to meet you, be well, have a nice day, whatever works for you. And with all that said, just remember that sometimes silence truly is golden. And more often than not, holding your tongue doesn't make you seem awkward. Usually people will think you're calm or confident, maybe even mysterious. You may not feel mysterious, but most of the time, some version of that is actually how you'll come across. But again, for those moments when silence isn't the right move, ask questions, really listen, ask follow-ups, and repeat. Give it a try. It worked for me, and I'm confident it'll work for you too. Subscribe to The Non-Accidental Man for more videos like this, or don't, for less videos like this. And if you've got feedback, drop a comment or email me at nonaccidentalman@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.